Hey, what up guys? So I was barely able to get this mini HDMI. I think you can see that there. USB-C to mini HDMI cable. It's 3.5 feet. So the brand is LDLrui. I don't know. It's a weird name, but go ahead and check it out. Let's see. Its quality looks pretty good. You can see here the 4K UHD supports 4K up to. I think it looks pretty beat up. It looks beat up. It looks beaten up. It doesn't look clean. It looks like it was dragged on the floor. But supposedly it's gold plated. Supposedly it's 4K, 60 frames, 60 hertz, and it's USB-C as well. So this is USB-C. This is the input. This goes to your iPad or your computer, and then this goes to the monitor. Supposedly it supports 4K 60 hertz and powers also it powers on the monitor. So let's go ahead and see what's up. Let's give it a try. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and connect it to the iPad. So I've got the iPad here, right? We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. This is the USB-C. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's my input. You can even do directly through the iPad, right? This little hub from Ugreen. I don't know if you guys tried it before. Audio jack, HDMI as well. All of that. So let's go ahead and see. I don't want to have too much mess, so I'll try to make it more compatible, because the HDMI, let me see if I can, the HDMI doesn't transfer power. Okay, sorry, I'm recording with the other hand, so it's a little bit complicated. No, I'm gonna go ahead and actually plug it in here. So this is the mini HDMI. Okay, so I was able to plug it in. Now this is the power source, right? Because it's a monitor. So the monitor seeks help to have power, right? Because portable monitors like this one, so portable monitor need electricity, and for that I had it on the USB-C cable right here. So that's a USB-C or SS or whatever it's called, and then there's two SS, and then we got the mini HDMI. I did get a cable that's mini HDMI, but I think it was to HDMI. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but I don't think I had a mini HDMI to USB-C, not directly, but you can tell because it's so small, so thin. So let's go ahead and see if it works. So okay, so I got notifications from coming here. There you go. And maybe this is not connected properly, but it should be connected properly. So, signal. So okay guys, so pretty much we debunked that little thing about supposedly it works, but it doesn't. It's not providing that. It doesn't work. So this is the review of that brand, LDLrui. I threw the box away because I thought it was gonna work, but it didn't work. So hopefully this review finds it helpful. Remember, you do need power to power it on the USB through HDMI, but the HDMI didn't work, so it doesn't work. So this is external. Okay, it's reading it somehow, but it's not working. So all right, so I guess it doesn't work, so there's no picture. So hopefully this video was helpful for you and everyone else, and thanks for following. Hopefully you can follow me and subscribe. So leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this. I guess I'm going back to 2 wires. So, see ya.